Hello friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to become a full stack Python developer, and also known what is the learning path to become a full stack Python developer. So do you want to know about Python full stack developer, and are you searching for what is full stack developer in Python? And are you willing to know about full stack development? Then you can find answers in this video. Now we can understand what is full stack developer. What is the meaning of a full stack developer? Full stack developer is a term that has been on the rise increasingly. These web developers are always in demand. Python full stack developers are subset of full stack web developer. Nowadays, everyone wants to become a full stack web developer. The reason is that every full stack developer enjoys a good salary and perks in almost any software development company of the world. In a full stack web development, there are 3 steps included. They are: write code that will decide the design of the website. The second one, write the code to receive information input from the users and then to save it in the database. The third one is managing the servers. While writing the code to design website, a full stack web developer uses popular languages such as HTML5, CSS, JavaScript. And when the developer writes the code to receive information input from users and to save it in several databases, he uses several languages such as PHP, Python, Java, Node.js, ASP.NET, etc. to create algorithms and business logic for manipulating the data gathered from the users. So, and the last function of the full stack developer is to host the database on a servers. Once the website is hosted on a server, it is easily available on the internet. Now anyone can access it in a seconds. Now the question is raised, what does a full stack developer do? A full stack developer works on front end and back end both. In simple words, a full stack developer creates a website that has an effective look and efficient functionality. That means a front-end developer writes code to design application or a website. A front-end developer mainly uses languages such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript, while a back-end developer writes codes to receive the information input from the user. Moreover, a back-end developer saves this information in the database. A full stack developer must know languages such as CSS. CSS is basically used to design a website. HTML is basically used to add information to the website. PHP, JavaScript. These languages are used to add functionality to the website. And Python is used as a backend as well as front-end language. Irrespective of technologies, a full stack developer definitely contains these technologies like front end. For front end side, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For back end side, Python, Java, Node.js, .NET. Any one programming language must have experience as a back end. And database technologies like SQL, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, MongoDB. And he also known the technologies like cloud technologies like AWS, Azure, GCP, any cloud platform technology also must have experience for full stack developers, and he or she should have experience on. And he also having experience on deployment tools like continuous integration and continuous deployment. And he also must have strong experience on agile methodology projects and a good knowledge on networking concepts. So as a full stack developer, he has to these skills. Now we are talking about full stack Python developer. So exactly what the full stack Python developers required skills. So as a full stack Python developer, he must have front end technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For backend, only one language, that is Python. And he also having experience on development environment, some IDEs like for example PyCharm, PyDev, Jupyter Notebook, etc. Okay, and learn how to build a chatbot with full stack web development. And he also having experience on text editors. Okay, so text editors means for example Atom, Vim, Visual Basic Code are example for open source text editors. And as a full stack Python developer, you should also having experience on version control. So why you are using version control means to store and maintain a record of every small change made to a code. So this is particularly useful when a team is collaborating on a project. So every modification made to the file is stored, and it becomes easy to track changes and find errors if any. So Git is the most popular repository and version control. And we also having experience on some frameworks. So basically we are talking about Python full stack developer means, so Python also some major frameworks we are using while they are developing the projects. So the major frameworks are for Python Django, Flask, Bottle, Pyramid, and more of some of the frameworks based on in Python. And as a full stack Python developer, you should have strong experience on database also like Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, MongoDB, and these things. And you also having experience on some cloud technologies like AWS, either AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. And you also have experience on development tools like continuous integration and continuous deployment. And also having a strong experience on agile methodology projects and good knowledge on networking concepts. So these are the skills must require for full stack Python developers. So thank you for watching.